During the Asian session, traders were fettered by the mixed macroeconomic background. First of all, they were taken aback by weak China's trade balance data. Besides, market participants are in suspense awaiting December 15, when tariffs on some Chinese goods will come into force. So, recent trade optimism has weakened considerably amid all this news. The US dollar was trading higher on the back of Friday's positive non-farm payroll report, but it failed to develop the rally due to the decline in the yield of US Treasuries. This week, investors are looking ahead to US inflation data as well as the Fed and the ECB's decisions on the interest rate. Analysts note that due to the tension in the market, any important event can cause a sharp spike in volatility. In the meantime, the USDX chart is held sideways near the 97.60 level. The dollar-yen pair corrected from 108.70. It returned to the support area of 108.50 as the yen grew after the release of positive data on Japan's GDP for the third quarter. Japan's economy expanded by 0.4% against the expected growth of 0.1%. In a year, Japan's GDP rose by 1.8%. Currently, the dollar-yen pair is consolidating, preparing to break the support level at 108.50 and decline to 107.60. The antipodian currency kicked off this week with the losses amid weak data on China's exports. According to official statistics, in November, China's foreign trade surplus narrowed to $38.73 billion from $43 billion. Such a drop was caused by an unexpected decrease in the volume of exports by 1.1%, contrary to the forecast for growth of 1%. At the same time, imports grew by 0.3%, while analysts expected a reduction of 1.8%. Australia is the main major supplier of raw materials to China. That's why any shortfall in China's economy affects the Aussie. The Australian dollar was trading under 0.6850 after the release of disappointing China's trade data. Apparently, the USD pair is trapped in a narrow range after the publication of a positive US jobs report. At the same time, the news on the US-China trade negotiations may drag down the AUD-USD pair as the United States is trying to reach a trade deal with China, Australia's main trading partner. Traders of the AUD-USD pair are looking for the proper moment to enter the market to open short orders. In the European trade, foreign trade data from Germany is due, where Centix is scheduled to issue the euro area investor confidence data. During the New York session, traders will take notice of Canada's housing starts report. The news on the US-China trade relations continue to be in the limelight. You are watching market news on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.